This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable comments on the Pinterest app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Pinterest app. To enable or disable comments, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your little profile icon. Then on this page you want to go up towards the top, the upper left hand corner, and tap on your profile icon up there. Then you'll go down to where it says Social Permissions and Activity. Tap on Social Permissions and Activity. Then right in here underneath Comments, allow comments on your pins. By default it is toggled on, but you could tap on the toggle there and toggle it off. Now comments are disabled on your pins, and to enable it you just toggle it back on. That is how to enable or disable comments on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.